over here. Don't move. Hey. Get on the ground. Roll over. Roll over. You better quit. You better quit. Why are you running?
What?
Why are you running?
Because Mom told me to.
What's your name?
Tina Cody.
Roll over.
Back in the house.
Roll over.
Roll over.
This is a great plan, Robin. Thanks.
One detained.
Roll over. Roll over.
I'm trying to.
Roll over.
You're
Roll over and give me your hand.
I'm rolling over you. Ouch!
Give me help. Shots fired. Give me help.
34 around. 34 around. 14 miles forward.
I've got a guy with a gun. Give me some help. Shots fired.
We got him, Justin. Shots fired. 58 got shot fired. 95 on 33.
You better show me your hands.
Where's he at? Sharp Road. Dan4 Robinson. Stage at 47.
10-4, I've already done it.
Wondering also check see if the city might have a unit close by. Might be up there for you or check with them advising back.
Step out and show me your hands. Do it now. Do it now. Get the out here. You drop that thing. Walk over here. Walk over here. Do it now. Get out here. Get the on the ground. Get away from there. Get the on the ground. Get the on the ground. You better keep your hands where I can see them.
You get in the house and stay there.
You stay the on the ground.
Do nothing.
I just got released from psychiatric ward. Please quit.
You keep your hands where I can see them.
Do not move.
10-26.
Justin, I'm turning on Sean's cover, buddy. We're coming.
Until all this is diffused, stay down for your own safety.
For my own safety.
You better not move.
That's right there, you black. You have up.
You shut the up.
100 to 120 for FDA's for having a unit
Get
route
your
on.
knee on my
No word.
Get your hand down my throat.
Shut the up.
Wait until you get
Stand. Shut up.
I've got him on the ground at gunpoint. I don't know what he did with it, but he's on the ground.
Well, that they're kicking me in the head for talking.
Yes, you copy that. He's got him on the ground. He doesn't know where the gun is.
You keep your hands where I can see them. You better not move.
Maintain, we'll come to you.
They're pressing down. I can't breathe. I can't breathe.
Well, you just stay put.
You shut the up. I can't stand them. See?
70, okay?
I don't give a Yeah, you need help, alright? You smart fucking act like stupid ass. Pull guns on people, they ain't got it. We none of us.
I'm on the parkway, by the way.
I don't want anybody to have a firearm here. My mom's disabled. She's crazy.
Hold it together, man. Hold it together. Hold it together, man. Come here. Hold it together, man. Hold it together. Hold it together. Look at me. Hold it together. Give me that gun. Give me your gun. Give me your gun. Give me your gun, sir. Give me your gun. I'm with the ambulance service. Give me your gun. Give me your gun. Let go of it. Let go of it. Don't move. Don't move. Don't move. Shut the Easy, buddy. Easy, buddy. Easy, buddy. I got it. I got it under control. You just calm down, man. Don't move. Easy, buddy. Easy, man. Calm down. It's okay, buddy. We got this under control. We got your back, man. Don't worry about it.
Give him a
You shut the up.
You shut the
We got it, man. We got it. It's all under control. Todd, watch yourself. Todd, I need you over here now. I got him, Todd, over here now. Easy, buddy. It's okay, man. It's okay. It's just a stressful situation. It's okay. We got your back, man. It's okay. Todd!
I'm okay. I'm okay.
You okay?
Yeah. I got it. I'm
got it?
okay. I swear.
You got it, man.
Keep your hands up.
58, still 10-4.
Up 10-4. Keep your hands where I can see them.
I'm coming up to you. Where you at in relation to Robin's house?
I'm standing over here in the field. I've got the EMS has got the girl detained in handcuffs, and I'm standing out here in the field. We've got the one guy on the ground. Robin standing in the doorway.
Shut up. Hey, brother.
Got that.
We're going to grab this guy north, okay?
Oh, don't lose their road. I'll be on Oldable Highway. We'll be in about 3 or 4.
You better keep your hands where I can see them. You best not move.
I'll be at his location.
10-4.
Keep your hands up.
He's crazy! He's crazy! Fucking firearm before
He's right there.
100 to 128. It's going to be there at the intersection. 794 is. It's going to be out there at the intersection. Cedar Bluff.
Intersection, Cedar Bluff and Sharp Road. Is that correct?
10-4.
10-4.